Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you on how to unpin a message in WhatsApp. If you have a message that you no longer want to keep at the top of your chat, we've got you covered. Let's dive into this full guide. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. You can find the WhatsApp icon on your home screen or in your app drawer. Step 2. Tap and hold the pinned message at the top of the page. This will activate the options for that message. Step 3. Tap Unpin. By selecting this option, the message will no longer be pinned to the top of your chat. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to unpin any message in WhatsApp effortlessly. This is a great way to keep your chats organized and prioritize important conversations. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.